Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Instacart affiliate program for grocery savings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring the Instacart affiliate program, first, visit the Instacart affiliate website. Look for the option to sign up or create an account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and website details. Once you've submitted your application, check your email for a confirmation message. Follow the instructions in the email to activate your account. After activation, log into your Instacart affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the available tools and resources. Locate the unique affiliate links provided for various grocery stores. Choose the link that aligns with your audience's preferences. Next, consider the promotional materials available, such as banners and text links. Select the formats that you believe will be most effective for your platform. Once you have your links and materials, start creating content to promote them. Share recipes, grocery tips, or savings advice that incorporates your affiliate links. Make sure to disclose your affiliate relationship transparently in your content. Utilize social media channels to widen your reach. Post engaging content that encourages your audience to use your affiliate links. Monitor your traffic and sales through the Instacart affiliate dashboard. Adjust your strategies as needed based on performance insights. Stay updated with any promotional offers that might aid in increasing conversions. Engage with your audience and respond to their questions about grocery savings. Building a community around grocery savings can enhance your affiliate success. Remember to regularly review and refresh your content to keep it relevant. By following these steps, you can effectively configure and optimize your participation in the Instacart affiliate program for grocery savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.